Hi guys, thanks for tuning into the latest episode on the Scan Tool Network. In this video we're going to be looking at the best diagnostic scan tools and scanners for Maserati vehicles in 2021 and 2022. And at the end of this video I'll tell you which of these tools I would personally choose given my 15 years experience in this particular field. Now I'm going to put links to all of these kits in the description below this video. It's really important that you follow these links because they will take you to genuine and official products. Unfortunately, fakes and clones do exist, so it's really worth staying away from those and following the links that we give. You'll definitely get official products. I'm going to start with the cheapest tool and work my way up to the most expensive tool. It's generally said that the more you pay for a tool, the more functionality you will get, and that's certainly the case. That's what we believe. But there's nothing to say that, depending on your specific requirements, you couldn't get away with just getting the cheapest tool and using that and sort of being done with it. As I say, it all depends on your budget and all depends on what you're looking to get out of a tool. We're starting with this kit here. It's the iCorsoft i820 kit. Now this kit will allow you to hook up and diagnose engine fault codes only, engine and transmission fault codes. So if you've got maybe a check engine light or an emissions service warning light on your dashboard, then this is the kit to use. This will allow you to diagnose the fault. It'll give you a unique fault code, it'll give you a description of the fault, and it'll allow you to look at live data and ultimately erase the fault code and erase the warning light on the dashboard. This actually works on all makes and models. It's a tool which is designed to cope with a wide range of vehicles, but only for the engine system. I must stress that only. If you want to get a bit more functionality out of a tool, so you want the tool that you buy to have a bit more system coverage, then I'd recommend going for the Foxwell NC580 kit. Now this kit also does the engine system, but it also covers, for Maserati cars, it covers the engine, airbags, ABS and transmission system, and for some cars it does the service reset as well. So it doesn't do the service reset on all cars. It doesn't cover, like the airbags and the ABS on all cars, but it does it for the majority of cars. The majority of newer Maseratis it will do. For older Maseratis, you're going to be very limited, and it's very difficult to find a tool that will be suitable for that car. But if you've got sort of a modern-ish car, then certainly go for this one. It's going to give you a lot more system coverage. This also has a built-in feature to do everything that this does actually. So it has a built-in feature to hook up to the engine system of other cars other than Maserati vehicles. So if you've also got a BMW or an Audi or a Mercedes, you can diagnose engine faults on that car with this tool as well. And if you're wanting to get a bit more system coverage on all of your vehicles, so the chances are if you've got a Maserati, you've probably got another car as well in your friends or your family or your particular circle, then the NT680 is a good option because this covers all manufacturers worldwide. It also covers other supercars like Ferrari, Aston Martin, Lamborghini, Bentley and Bugatti as well. So this tool will cover all of the systems within the vehicle on a much wider range of vehicles and manufacturers. It also does a lot of service resets and specific service functions, but to be honest with you, they're not really designed for Maserati cars, so I would stick to just using them as code readers, and then there'll be no disappointment when you come to open it and it doesn't do a particular function. But if you are wanting clarification as to whether any of these tools will work on your car, then please, I'll put an email address in the description below. Use that email address and those guys will tell you as to which one of these tools will be suitable for your needs. But please give them a lot of information, give them what job you're looking to carry out, the VIN number if possible, and they'll do a check for you, but as much detail as possible. I would personally choose this one here because I feel it gives the best value for money when you're looking for system coverage within your Maserati for the best price. So this is the one I would go for. Remember, links to these kits are in the description below. Please use those links only to avoid going to a fake website or a fake tool, because unfortunately they do exist and I've heard a lot of horror stories. We're trying to get away from that. It's making our job very difficult. But the guys in China just keep producing these fakes and it's disappointing a lot of people. That's a story for another day entirely though. Thanks for watching. If you have learned something or it's maybe given you an idea of which tool to go for in your Maserati, please give the video a thumbs up and we'll see you soon on the Scan Tool Network.